Hey guys, Priscilla Ono here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to conceal and how to set blemishes, and especially blemishes with dry skin. Now Emma has dry skin with a few breakouts, so it's really important that you prep the skin. If you put any type of foundation or concealer over those areas, it'll just look really flaky. So you want to make sure that you're prepping. Remember that prepping is key. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of face moisturizer so that when I'm applying foundation products and setting powders, it won't look cakey or dry. So now Emma is the color 300 in our Pro Filter foundation. So I'm going to take the concealer in the color 310. And I'm going to use a little bit of that on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to go in with our concealer brush and I'm going to take some of that product and I'm going to start to kind of go over some of her blemishes. And now I just like to feather out the product to make sure that it's undetectable. Now I'm going to go in and I'm just going to start to do that same technique on all of the blemishes that are a little bit more protruding. So now I'm taking a little bit of Pro Filter in the color 300 and I'm taking our full-bodied foundation brush. I'm going to add a nice natural layer all over the skin because I feel like now that we concealed those little spots, she really doesn't need too much foundation. Now we're going to go in and conceal under her eyes. I'm taking the Pro Filter concealer in the color 300 and I'm going to take this with the actual wand and I'm going to do just a few little swatches under her eye. Now this product is very pigmented, which I love, so a little bit goes a long way. Now I'm going to take our little precision sponge, the more pointier sponge, and I am just going to start to blend in the concealer, and I'm just blending up and down motions, just patting the concealer in. So now I'm going to set the rest of her face and I'm going to be using our Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. And I'm going to take some of that in the cap. Then I'm going to take my little precision sponge, the one with the more angled edge, and I'm going to turn it upside down. And this has a really nice velvety bottom, which is specifically made to apply setting powder, especially under the eye area. So I'm going to dip into my powder and I'm going to go under the eyes and I am just going to press this into the skin. So now I'm going to take cashew in our setting powder and I'm going to still use that sponge with the velvety end. I'm going to dip into it, and what I like to do to ensure that these little blemishes are very undetectable, I like to kind of go over them and kind of pat some of that powder on. Now I'm going to take our Powder Puff setting brush and I'm going to apply cashew all over. So these setting powders are truly invisible, so they really sink into the skin without any detection. Hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to conceal blemishes and especially blemishes on dry skin. If you guys have any questions, make sure that you comment below and follow us on YouTube at Fenty Beauty.